Hello. In this video, I wanted to talk a little bit about the concept of having a personal presentation style, i.e., what sort of presenter are you? Everybody has their own way of presenting, and that's absolutely as it should be because we are all individuals. It always worries me slightly if I'm working with a large organization and they sort of say, oh, could you make sure that everybody presents the same way? And it's like, well, no, actually, I know you can have consistency of message. We can certainly have consistency of tone, but actually everybody needs to be able to speak in their own way because that's how they're going to come across as most authentic. So it's worth identifying what is your personal presentation style. Now, it's not always easy to know yourself. You might think you come across in one way when actually you're coming across in another. So one of the best ways to find out what your style is to ask people. It sounds simple, doesn't it? But actually just saying to somebody, how do I come across when I present? And ask them for feedback. Now, ask people that you know, that you trust, who are going to give you honest, open feedback, rather than people going, oh, you're great, you're fine, or yeah, you could do better. You don't want that sort of feedback. It doesn't help you. What you want is somebody to go, actually, you know what? You are perhaps a bit quieter than maybe you realize, or perhaps you are a bit too OTT. Now, personally, I don't think there is such thing as being too OTT or really too quiet in a presentation, because some people's style is big and bold and energetic, and there's huge volume and their body's moving a lot. Other people are quiet, still, perhaps a bit reserved. But actually, this sort of presentation style can be just as powerful. So don't feel that there is a right or wrong way to present. It's about finding the way that is right for you, your personal presentation style. Now, once you have a feel for your personal presentation style, it's much easier to start honing it and make it better. And that's really where I do a lot of my work as a speech coach. So so often people come to me going, you know, I want to speak like so-and-so. And I've had people come to me saying, oh, I want to speak like you. So, well, I can't teach you to speak like me. Apart from anything else, I don't want the competition. Thank you. But actually, I can teach you to speak like you and make that better. Don't try to copy somebody. Maybe try to emulate some of what they're doing, but don't try to set out to copy them because it's not you. Present like you. So think about what your personal presentation style is. It may change slightly dependent on the type of presentation you're giving, the sort of audience, what have you. My presentation style, I now know, because I've been told by people, is fairly conversational, fairly relaxed, hopefully fairly fun. But of course, in certain presentations, that's not the appropriate style, and I have to tweak it slightly. But because I'm confident in my own style, I can actually just hone that and move it a little bit just to make it a little bit more calm down if I need to, or I can make it bigger and even more high energy if I need to. So think about your personal presentation style and set out to make that better. Be the best you can be at being you.